Okay, so all right. So let's bring it all into one picture now. There's 3 points here in this Sunday's gospel, which is first things is the sickness, the illness. No, so there are two miracles here. I think I explained already why
Yeah.
the anong relationship ng two miracles, no? Uh,
Mhm.
let's look at the first one, which is the hemorrhaging woman. No? This hemorrhaging
Mm-hmm.
woman, um, he took a very large risk because for 12 years she has been bleeding. No, so in their time she probably was outcasted. No, but
Mhm.
she took the risk of being stoned to death because when you are unclean, you cannot mingle with those who are clean.
Ah,
Mm-hmm.
oo nga
Kung
pala,
konting
'no?
pahid lang nung dugo nung woman, no, no, she will be thrown out and maybe stoned, no. So he
Mhm.
took a
Mm-hmm.
big risk, no, because of the faith that she had, no. But let's look at the faith that the woman had. She didn't know Christ. She didn't know Jesus, no? Pero ang marami siyang naririnig about him, no? But her faith was just to touch the garment or the tassel ba yun? Garment ba? O, so,
Carmen.
Yeah.
garment. Garment lang daw, gagaling na siya. That's why
Mhm.
Mm-hmm.
Jesus had to stop and felt that somebody out of the crowd, no? Imagine pushing and shoving. Jesus felt somebody took this power from me. So
Mhm.
again, that's one ano, of the sickness or illness. No? And the second one is definitely we are very familiar with, which is the he resurrection of the the daughter of Jairus. No,
The dollar.
the first miracle is the
Excuse me.
resurrection or uh, bringing back to life. No,
Mhm.
so again, I go back to the relationship of the two illnesses, which uh, they converge into well, several things like 12 years. 12 years nang may sakit yung babae, 12 years old
Mhm.
yung bata, which I told earlier that is the reflection of the chosen people. So
Mhm.
probably that this was Jesus was meant to save the chosen people. No? So ito gusto niyang i-save. So what does that mean? It means uh, the Jews were disconnected to God because of the sin of Adam and Eve. No,
Mhm.
so their sinfulness is uh, separated them. So kung may kapansanan ka, you are separated as how they see people. No, you are unclean. So you are separated from God. So what does that make? No, I go to the second point, which is the healing
Mhm.
power of
Mhm.
Jesus. So what did that healing power do? No, so it gave uh, uh, nabuhayan yung babae and it gave
Mhm.
life
Yeah.
to the little girl. No, so the healing power of Jesus represented that through him he would give life again. No, so nagbigay siya ng bagong buhay. Now, if you look at, I mean, this is wala sa context no context to, but what life uh was with the life after experiencing that miracle. I've read in one of the commentary that the girl who was bleeding, no, he went back to Caesarea Philippi, northern part of Galilee, which is a what you call this, a pagan country. So dito, sabi nung commentary, the girl who was bleeding, she was the first one to evangelize the gospel of Jesus in her town.
Talaga? Naging
So
evangelizer siya?
she evangelized, no, the life,
Hmm.
the
Mm.
miracle that so she
Oo.
evangelized, and uh there was a finding in that town where she was. Nagpatayo siya ng statue
Hmm.
na yung figure niya na na-heal siya ni Jesus at statue ni Jesus. So
Wow.
again, it tells us, okay, we receive this miracle, we receive the healing power of Jesus. What did that make us in our life? What did that do in our life? Knowing,
Mm.
di ba, 5 lang ang, uh, 6 lang ang nandun sa room. Jesus,
Mhm.
James,
The
John,
parents.
the parents,
Parents,
the
John,
mother,
James.
John and James and
John and
Peter.
James. So these people, I don't know about the parents, no, what life they live, but knowing James, John, and Peter, what did it come out? How did the life come out? They were evangelizing the life of Christ. So the power of healing that Jesus gave them new life. Okay, so what does it tell us? That this healing, the miracles that we experience, will give us life. Anong klaseng life? A life that will allow us to evangelize and propagate what Christ has did for us. Now, that healing power tells us also that this healing power is the generosity coming from God. No? Looking at it, na healing power na to, he was just out in the open. It's like a walking healing fountain, no? Jesus, di ba? Only touch him. And who did he give this what you call this healing miracles to?
To the
If you
two.
look at the different people that he was healing, no? He even
To the
healed
sinners.
the serve this the son of Jairus, who is a temple official. Alam mo naman ang temple official, so they go under the family of the Levites, no? So they are medyo ano rin, no? So nagmakaawa yung si Jairus. So you look at the girl who is, outcasted, and the rest of her is healing miracles was meant for different kind of people, even Gentiles, di ba? So that means this generosity comes from the power from God, that hindi it is for everyone, but there is only one prerequisite, which is there is always faith. He did not allow the woman just to be healed there and walk further. He had to stop and ask the woman who, or the crowd who took the power from him. And yet, Jesus said, your faith has healed you, or your faith has saved you. So it is the acknowledgement. So it has to be both ways, God and the faith
Yeah.
of man. No? Kailangan mag-meet yon. So same thing with Jairus, no? He had faith that Jesus faith. So if you look at these two miracles, the first miracle is from the healing miracle is from the human, to God. The second miracle was from God to man. You see, it is from God, Jesus' power that he healed. No? He resurrected. But yung woman was from the will of man, to the faith of man, to God. Do you see? So going back to the point number 3, which is, as we are healed and we live a new life, this healing must trigger a righteousness or a relationship with God. That is why We cannot keep it to ourselves. This healing
Mhm.
power that we have received, any miracle that we have received. That's why yan yung sinasabi dito sa second reading, no? That the generosity in service. That is what Jesus gave us, the generosity of his life for us to be saved from sin. So in the same effect, as we have received this power of healing from God, we too must share it to others. No? We have to this overflowing dito nga sa ano, I remember the verse Jeremiah 20 verse 9, that sabi ni Jeremiah, I cannot keep it inside me. It is like fire burning in my bones that I have to give it out, no? So this abundant miracles that we receive in our life, kailangan yan i-share natin. Bakit? Because of what he said, that we were created in the image and likeness of God. So everyone who is deprived of wealth, spiritual or financial or what have you, no, is for fellow Christians, sabi nga ni brother, ay kailangan i-share natin yan. Not probably, kasi kanina narinig ko yung ating surplus, no? It's when yun nga sinasabi ko, give until it hurts. When it hurts, give some more. Until it no longer hurts. So that is service in abundance, no? Now, sharing. So again, this miracle that we receive is from the grace of God. And nung napanood nyo na yung yung Chosen as in
Yes.
season 4.
Opo.
Season 4 na finish na. There was part na nagalit si Thomas. Bakit hindi binuhay ni Thomas yung girl niya? Di ba namatay yung girl? I don't know. Spoiler ba ko? Spoiler? Yung season na?
Season 3 lang ang kinabot ko.
Yeah.
So there was one guy, nagagalit siya bakit hindi niya binuhay yung girl kasi namatay. But binuhay niya si Lazarus. He was so envy. No? So he doubted Jesus. So what is this saying? That the miracle of Jesus is not for us to assume that we just have faith and we will receive it. No, it is a grace from God. It is God who will decide who gets to live, who gets to receive this, who gets to do that. Because why? Because he wants us to show that he is powerful, he is the Almighty, and he knows everything. And for the purpose of his praise and worship, no? For people to know him as who he is, but not as we know who he is. Okay? So again, all these miracles, all this is telling us something. We are given a new life. And this life is meant to be shared in abundance to others because we are created in his image and likeness. All he wanted to do is for us to be all the same in his kingdom. Walang mayaman, walang mahirap, pare-pareho tayo.
Well,
Amen?
Yeah.
thank you.
So that's it, huh?
Thank you.
Thank you, brother. Thank you so much for being here again today.